If you're coming to Cherrapunji, Meghalaya, don't miss out on this beautiful waterfall. Also, most popular caves which will leave you speechless. Day 6 in Meghalaya और मैंने ये green long dress kind of डाला है and I feel really nice because it's quite sunny and chilly. So we are staying in Pateng homestay which is in Cherrapunji. This is like a homestay and यहाँ पे like 4 room ऐसे rent पे देते हैं. So this is like a really good place because it's very peaceful and the owner is really good. So if you're in Cherrapunji, you should definitely stay here. This is the way for upstairs and ऊपर से कुछ ऐसा व्यू है, बहुत पीसफुल है, बहुत अच्छा है. There's no like noise, it's very like pretty and very peaceful. I can't believe this is my second last day already and I'm in love with this homestay, by the way. It's called Pateng and I'm in Cherrapunji and this homestay is amazing because the view, the service, everything is really so good. It's just I feel so sad that it's second last day and I have to leave. I just want to stay here for a while and feel peaceful because this is definitely a very peaceful place. Also, the thing which I've observed is the people are so good here, like very humble, very sweet and very helpful. That is like the best thing. The food wise is a little difficult to find veg options because I'm pure veg, but the food overall is not really that good here, but the nature, people and everything else is amazing. So excited for today as well. When this green dress and this golden earrings and I'm all set to go. It's almost 10 a.m. now and we'll have our breakfast and start sightseeing for the day after breakfast. The most breakfast I've had here is Maggie because I don't really know, like other stuff is not that really good. So Maggie it is. It's just I'm tasting different types of Maggie. Also I had momos yesterday. I didn't find it like that amazing, but it was okay. Non-veg food which my friend is eating, even she said that the food is very pretty average here. So yeah, and mostly people eat like rice and vegetables, so that is really good. But if you expect something else, that's not really good over here. So but it's okay, like the nature and everything else is so good. So we left our homestay and came to this place. Now this is like the best place in Cherrapunji to have like really very yummy food. हम लोगों ने ये रिव्यूज़ देख के एंड लोकल गाइड को पूछ के हमें ये प्लेस मिला, बट आई फील दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस. इफ़ यू आर इन Cherrapunji, don't miss out on this. So this place offers like lot of food varieties and इसके बाहर oh my god, you guys are not ready, पर बस देखो कितना प्यारा व्यू है. When I saw it, I really like fell in love.
So beautiful.
I feel the safest option for food is dosa. So we went for dosa. We had some rasgulla and filter coffee with this view. Totally love it. Totally recommend it.
क्यों है ये लाइटर फूड? हाँ.
So along with the restaurant, you can also stay here. I guess it's a resort and you can also buy stuff if you want to take something back home. And I guess मैंने यहाँ बहुत सारी shopping की. I'll show you guys in my next vlog or something, but they offer like really good products, so you can definitely go for anything. उसके बाद we started exploring this place which is also a different waterfall spot, so we were excited for this. Okay, so for this waterfall, you will also have to trek for almost, I guess, 10 to 15 minutes. It's not a difficult trek, but it's on edge, so please be careful. Also, it has like proper steps, so it's not that risky. Just it doesn't have support, so please be careful. I reached this place, but oh my god, the tourists were too many. Like मैंने ये वीडियो में इतना लिया नहीं है टूरिस्ट को, but the place was like really flooded with tourists. A lot of people come here because it's like a popular spot. So if you want to skip this place, you can. पर it looks very beautiful. If you can cover other places which I have mentioned in my previous vlogs, and if you want to miss this one, you can miss because it's like similar only. बस इधर लोग बहुत ज़्यादा है, so according to your places you want to cover, you can choose. This is the nearest waterfall to Cherrapunji. मेरे को After the waterfall, we came for the caves, and this was also a decent place. But if you're looking to skip something, you can. But if you're really like fond of caves and nature, you should definitely visit this place. काफ़ी प्यारा नेचर है, मतलब मुझे तो लोनावला की याद आ गई, विच इज़ इन महाराष्ट्र. इट इज़ क्वाइट सिमिलर टू दैट, बट इट इज़ वेरी प्रिटी लाइक फॉर योर मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग वॉक. बहुत ज़्यादा पीसफुल है ये प्लेस. अगेन काफ़ी टूरिस्ट आते हैं इधर, तो यू वोंट गेट लाइक लेस क्राउड.
फिर छोटा उसको उठा के ले लेने का.
Arva Cave is Meghalaya's most famous caves, and it is pretty accessible to regular visitors. It is famous for its fossils, which you can observe in the lift up interiors, especially towards the end of the cave. You will find shells and fish bones fossilized in the limestone walls of the cave. Apart from being a beautiful place, it will also surprise you with many turns and corners, which is like a maze where you're walking 1 minute under a high cave ceiling and sliding the next minute through a narrow passageway that leads to other sections.
बताओ किधर है, दिख नहीं रहा. हाँ
So overall, it is a pretty decent and a good place to walk, to be very honest. I mean, it is not that beautiful, but if you have like a lot of time and you can like do a walk, you should definitely come here. So the next place we visited for sunset was Nokkalikai Falls. So it is like the largest waterfall in India and one of the largest obviously in Meghalaya, which is near Cherrapunji. This place was like really beautiful. This is again a tourist place. You will expect a little bit of crowd here, but oh my god, the view was so pretty. Don't miss out on this place. हम लोग I don't think so नीचे जाने का कोई तरीका है, but we were like upside only. हम लोग ऊपर ही थे to see the waterfall and oh my god, it was like really beautiful. So Noka Likai Falls is named after Ka Likai, a woman who jumped off the cliff in grief. Her second husband, out of jealousy, killed her daughter and cooked her flesh. When she unknowingly ate the meal and found her daughter's remains, she was devastated and ended her life by leaping from the falls. No? After seeing the beautiful sunset, we had some food which was super delicious by the way. You should definitely try it, and then went back to Orange Roads for dinner. Stay tuned for my last vlog which will be coming up soon.